Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to make this off of a video, and it's a short. And the guy doesn't speak English, just music. And it's pretty cool, but the person can't get it to work, and I think he's just leaving out one step. So I drew an ellipse and I hit P. I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to rotate it 10 degrees. And then just make sure you don't go too far. Now, here's what he's missing, I think. For this to work, you've got to go to Object and group it together. Then you can take your interactive fill tool, and you know what? I'm going to try an elliptical in this one. Yeah, that might not work. That's too many. And then just start changing the colors. And at first I thought, well, I want to take away the red lines, but I don't. And you could add as many colors as you wanted. I'm going to call one more good. Now, here's the step that you might be missing too. Go to Object and Group and Ungroup. And then watch the magic happen when I select it all. You see we have 18 objects. I'm going to go and combine them and watch what happens. Then I can take away the outline and look at that. Easy, and that's pretty cool. I think a couple years ago I made a video on this, but I think this will help it. So you've got to group and ungroup them and then combine them to get that to work. Hope that helped him a little bit, somebody in the future, and thank you for watching.